Hedgehogs can roll up into a ball, but not for the reasons you might think. Hi, it's me, and this is my channel. When I first saw a hedgehog rolling up, I assumed that it was protecting itself from a predator. See, baby hedgehogs are born without spines. That makes them super vulnerable to daytime predators like foxes and birds of prey. So instead of running away, baby hedgehogs will play dead and roll up into a ball until the predator passes them by. Luckily, their spines grow in a few weeks after they're born, and then this trick isn't as useful. However, they still do it for another reason. Rolling up into a ball makes it easier for a predator to pick you up and eat you. In fact, hedgehogs that QN roll up do unsurvive as well because they QN defend themselves against predators. After all, if a predator can't get to you, then you're safe, right? So instead, it will squeeze its body through small spaces to escape. They can't squeeze into a hole that's too small for them to fit through. But if they roll up, they're more likely to get snatched by a predator. So instead of hiding or rolling up, hedgehogs try to scare off predators by vibrating and barking. If that doesn't work, they run away. And if that doesn't work, they shake themselves violently to throw the predator off balance. For example, if a fox is trying to eat them, a hedgehog can squeeze under a log or through some bushes to get away. In fact, hedgehogs can squeeze through spaces as small as they are wide. So if they feel threatened, they can escape through almost any obstacle. But that's not why hedgehogs roll up. You've probably seen a hedgehog roll up like this with its nose when this happens. They'll freeze and curl up into a ball. Every year, many hedgehogs are killed by cars, dogs, and foxes. And even though hedgehogs can roll up to protect themselves, that's not the reason why they do it. They basically play possum, hoping that whatever is approaching them will be scared off by their spines and leave them alone. It works for the most part, but it doesn't work for dogs who want to lick them, which means that hedgehogs have to find another way to escape. And most of its body tucked under its tail, which is covered by sharp spines. This is called a tonic immobility posture, and they do it for two very different reasons. First, when they're babies, it helps keep them safe from predators. Sometimes hedgehogs get into situations where they feel threatened, like when a dog or a person approaches them. In fact, when a dog approaches a hedgehog, the hedgehog does something weird to defend itself. First, it hisses and barks, which is enough to scare off most daytime predators. But if the dog gets too close, the hedgehog will start vibrating. The vibration is so intense that you can hear it. Basically, the hedgehog is trying to scare the dog away by making itself seem like a threat. And it works for the most part, but not always. So what do hedgehogs do when that doesn't work? Well, they'll shake themselves violently. If you've ever been close to a hedgehog when it does this, you know that it's trying to get you off balance. Hedgehogs roll around on the ground to make the dog lose its footing. Then while the dog is confused about why it can't get a good grip on the ground, the hedgehog will escape. You might think that rolling up into a ball would help a hedgehog escape, but it actually makes it harder. Being flexible also helps hedgehogs escape predators. When a hedgehog feels threatened, it will try to get away, but sometimes there's nowhere to go. That's why hedgehogs can't really hide from predators. All these behaviors help hedgehogs escape predators, but they aren't foolproof. Thanks for watching. See you next time.